Okay, so today I am stretching my ears to a 14 gauge, and sorry I look like crap, just got back from a football game, but I have to be really quiet because everyone's asleep. So here goes. 1 second, I'm going to set this down. So here are the tapers for steel. Alright, here we go. Just gotta be kind of soft. Perfect. And before you freak out, I already washed my hands and disinfected everything. They're right here. Oh, put it right in. So put the O-rings on, put the plugs in and everything in.